2024 has been a very exciting year for me because it was the year wherein I finally started this YouTube channel, The Common Pencil. In this video I would really like to share with you what happened the past year, and at the same time I will also be painting a dragon. There's a whole lot of stuff that needs doing when you want to start a YouTube channel. So I posted my first YouTube video in May this year, but beforehand I made my own logo. This channel has a logo of a dragon that firmly holds on to a pencil, a very common pencil. And in a somewhat figurative way of speaking, that pencil is me. I am the common pencil. And the dragon is my creative energy that is sort of tired of sitting around and waiting for me to wait for life to give me time to start learning how to make art. That was a very long sentence. As a starting YouTuber, you sort of grow and wiggle your way into a format. And I do feel that this is true. The first 2 or 3 videos that I made, I had very little idea of what I was doing and what type of people I would meet on the internet. And now I think I've posted 11 videos and the people I've met are all so nice. You are all so nice. And I really did not expect all that. After I posted my first video, I realized that I needed some form of structure. I am the type of person that comes up with many creative ideas, but not all of them are good. And after coming up with an idea, I need to find a way to structure it and to step by step figure out how to get from A to B and to get from idea to result. Just writing down everything is a great first step. After I realized that some more structuring was necessary, I figured out how to make a content calendar. And that really helped me out a lot. In case you're wondering, I've written down some of the points that I would like to talk about. I make little thumbnail sketches as well and little storyboards in here, and it's small enough to fit in a bag, and it costs $2. I quickly realized that posting one video once every 3 weeks is comfortable. In that way I can balance my private life and my work life and my YouTube life. I wanted to say without much effort, but I still have to hurry up. But that's also because I need to learn so many things. It doesn't help that I'm a little bit of a perfectionist sometimes, which I'm trying to let go of. I'm trying my best. I'm trying to accept that good enough is good enough. In August, in summer, I painted and filmed in public for the very first time. That was something. It really was a lot of fun though. This is an example of where making YouTube videos encourages me to get out of my comfort zone. I think that is because I can share it with you. Well, I won't be doing that the coming months because it's cold. Like it's -10. Right now, during daytime it's more like -5. But yeah, I don't want to go paint in the cold. I mean, how does watercolor paint even respond to it freezing? I guess it freezes. No, I'm not gonna try it. Not yet. Now I'm curious. No, don't do it. So this is how my brain works. It comes up with an idea, not necessarily a good one. in September, something very exciting happened because I went like mini viral. I don't know if you can call it viral. I got more than 1,000 views on my introduction video, which I really did not expect. I sort of made that video with the mindset of, well, I'll do my best to introduce who I am and what the channel is about, and we'll just see what happens. And boom, like YouTube picked it up and I got so many comments on it and so many likes as well. So thank you so much for interacting so much with that video. Completely unexpected. That also makes me wonder, like, what did it? Because it's only an intro. But I also shouldn't linger too much on that. And that also brings me to another topic. And that is the trap of looking up all the YouTube growth channels. Yeah, to figure out how you can get more traffic to the channel. I started mentally falling for the trap of feeling like I'm not doing well enough. I had promised myself not to fall for that, but I guess it's, yeah, you cannot really avoid it maybe. Maybe it's a phase we're all going through. And I think I already am over it for now, and I wouldn't be surprised if that is the type of cycle that you fall back into over and over again. I'm doing this for fun, and I want to share what comes up in my mind. I do not want to copy what other viral videos are doing, because 9 out of 10 times I don't care about that content. So yeah, that happened too for, I think I've been in there for a couple of weeks, until I got sort of tired of that mindset and I wrote a post about it and posted it on my website, on my blog. Talked about it with some of you and my mind got cleared. Posted a bunch of videos, had a lot of fun doing it, got out of my comfort zone, got super tiny viral with my introduction video, made a skull sketching video, skull practice was a lot of fun, and then I got featured in an actual magazine, an online magazine. And that was unexpected. This is one of those things that you cannot really plan for in life. Unexpected things. And that's also what happens when you get past your insecurities and start doing the thing that you really want to do. I just realized that something is missing. He has no tail. Am I going to paint a tail in there or not? I don't want to ruin the composition, but I also, now that I know that he really is lacking a tail, I feel like it's a bit naked. Naked, yes. He needs his tail. Yeah. Think about what to do.
Hello, it's future me. The microphone had picked up so many fuzzy, scratchy sounds from my clothes that I could not use the audio. So besides happily chatting about my latest videos, I also revealed some plans to make a permanent studio nook in our gaming room next year. If all goes well, this will dramatically improve the light and camera situation. This brings me to another topic. Some of you have been asking if it is possible to make donations to the channel. This wasn't possible before, but it is now. I have set up a Ko-fi account. I will put the link both here on the screen and down into the description. All in all, the past year on YouTube has been absolutely fantastic. I got to learn something new almost every single day, and I got to share my experience with the best people on the internet. I would like to thank everyone who watched, interacted with and talked about my videos. It really means a lot. So, since I've lost quite a bit of footage due to unusable audio, I will have to improvise a little bit. So I might as well explain the easiest way in the world to paint clouds. All you need is blue watercolor paint, some watercolor paper and a piece of paper towel. Are you ready? It is a 3-step process. Step 1. Paint the sky part of your painting blue. Step 2. While your paint is still wet, dab randomly into the blue with your paper towel. Step 3. Let it dry. That's it. Easy, right? Now if you want to, once the paint has completely dried, you can carefully sketch and paint on top of it, like you see me doing here. So, how was your year? Did you reach some creative goals as well? Do you have plans for next year? I know I do. If there is anything art related that you would like to see me experiment with, let me know down in the comments. Well, that was all for today. I would like to thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to, and then I will see you in the next year. Bye!